A new North Carolina law is about to take effect. It makes it harder for violent offenders to bond out of jail.
They'll have to meet a 2-day holding period. News 13's Rex Hodge reports decisions on their release will now go before a judge.
House Bill 813 passed the General Assembly last month. It's called the Pretrial Integrity Act.
It puts us in a position now to where there are some restrictions on bail. It addresses some issues we've had complaints on a lot, where folks are being released, they're recommitting crimes, and they're getting released again.
Mountain Representative Mark Pless says for a host of serious charges like murder, rape, kidnapping, arson, and human trafficking, the new law means bonds will be set by judges instead of magistrates. Haywood County Sheriff Bill Wilkie is in favor.
I'm fully in favor of any effort that puts offenders in jail that refuse to stop reoffending and keeps them there.
The law extends 48-hour holds as well. That would impact lesser nonviolent offenses too.
If a judge doesn't see them within the 48 hours, then the magistrate has the authority to go back in and work out something.
Some argue the changes will slow down the wheels of justice and clog up local jails. But Macon County Sheriff Brent Holbrook says, I don't see any issues with the change in law and don't foresee any issues with overcrowding in our detention facility.
Do you see any validity in that argument?
I have spoken previously to law enforcement, and they assure me that they will always be able to find a place to put someone who needs to be in jail.
It's a very hot topic right now.
Victim advocate and Mothers Against Drunk Driving representative Ellen Pitt says the pretrial changes are positive.
District court judges are much more aware of how to set those conditions. We do have magistrates that stay very aware of things, and then we have some that have not.
In recent years, Pitt pushed for mandatory continuing education training, specifically for magistrates. But she also says this new law should consider driving while impaired a violent crime too.
Why do they separate this out? It's probably the most frequently committed violent crime in our country.
The new law takes effect October 1st. Reporting from Haywood County, Rex Hodge, News 13.